Hello, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Champion 3400 watt dual fuel RV ready portable inverter generator with electric start. It is amazing. It's got 1500 ratings on Amazon with an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's 25 by 17 by 18 inches and weighs in at just under 100 pounds. It can operate on either gasoline or propane, plus the unit holds 0.6 quarts of oil and has a low oil shut-off sensor. The convenient electric start has a 3-position ignition switch, battery is included, plus the quick touch panel allows you to access all of your controls in one spot. It is ultra quiet and perfect for RVs, tailgating, your next project, or backup power for your home, featuring 3400 starting watts and 3100 running watts, and up to 7.5 hours runtime on gasoline. Champion also makes several other different capacity and wattage machines, so check those out as well. Now let's check out a fantastic review by Steph, a verified purchaser, called "Should have bought one of these sooner, LOL. Literally can't say anything bad about this unit. Price is great, shipping was fast, runs great, fairly lightweight and quiet, does what I need it to do, and the propane option is awesome. I have dealt with Champion in the past for service with another generator I had before, and their customer service is really amazing. Honestly, companies these days with good customer service is very rare. It's awesome to see how Champion takes pride in their products and service, and have extremely competitive prices. Awesome, so order yours today, the Champion 3400 watt dual fuel RV ready portable inverter generator with electric start. It's available on Amazon Prime, which means free shipping and free delivery. You're gonna love it.